In primetime news this evening, calls getting louder for public access to the high-profile Julian Silvera trial.
Anger in Westmoreland community after a 91-year-old woman is raped.
And thieves target Jamaica archives in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, there's been a push to have more women involved in entrepreneurship, and the REAP project is going to be supporting that. I'll have the details later on.
Okay, and Jordan Fort is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, controversy could be brewing over the status of two overseas-based Jamaica college athletes and whether they'll be eligible to compete at the ISA Boys and Girls Championships. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what do you make of security measures at state entities?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.